The devastation left in the wake of Hurricane Helene is still being felt all over the Appalachian regions of North Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee, and Virginia.
Yeah, many people were left without food, power, and some without homes. But Virginia National Guard soldiers are on the ground pitching in. Mike Gooding has more, all new at 6.
Virginia National Guard soldiers continue to support response efforts after Hurricane Helene. Their missions have included clearing debris, assisting with evacuations, and distributing food and water. They're credited with helping rescue 6 people.
And it's just so rewarding to know that we can be there and be a small part of the overall operation. You know, the guys are just excited to be down there and be part of the effort.
Their work has been centered in the southwestern Virginia towns of Damascus and Abington, Gate City, and Cedar Bluff.
Some of the roads that were beside of these creeks, when the water just washed down from the mountains, it just took the entire road away.
It's all part of the National Guard's dual responsibilities, fulfilling its federal mission serving as the reserve component for the active duty force. And in this case, when disaster strikes in the homeland, the National Guard stands ready to deploy and serve at a moment's notice to protect life and property in local communities. According to the Department of Defense, around 6,700 guardsmen from 16 states across the U.S. were activated to provide assistance as part of emergency management assistance compacts in the states hit hardest.
But the great thing about the National Guard is, you know, you're serving your community and your country.
Mike Gooding, 13 News Now.